Okay, so here we are, 2014 ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I have been nominated by my former friend, Will Waddell, my Uncle Alan and family in Edmonton, sorry about your Oilers, and the coach of Chilliwack Atom Blue football team, Ian Parks, and my former player, Paul the Sasquatch Angle. I want to thank you guys for nominating me and challenging me for this. Okay, I've got two buckets here, and I am going to nominate Teresa Kelly, Olivia Kelly, and Tyler Kelly for the challenge, as well as my brother-in-law, Alan Less. Don't think I didn't see your comments on Facebook when I got nominated, that's why. And also Chris Less, brother-in-law. Finally, my two operations managers at work, Graham Schimpf and Thomas Chung. Don't think we don't follow the fashion trends as well as social media trends. Okay, let's do this. Oh, oh boy.
Here we go!
No problem. You have 24 hours. Thank you.